Here's us loading our 8152 utility sled. Handle pretty much all your ice fishing needs. Got the auger, got our propane heater, minnow bucket, a couple extra buckets, and you just tow it behind your ATV. It's got dual 5-inch skis on it, and a couple nice sides, wood deck, wood back, all metal frame construction. So it's great for ice fishing. Tow it behind your snowmobile, or in our case we've got our ATV here all ready to go with the blade on it. So all packs up there nice. It'll also hold your portable fish house, one of the collapsible types. All our gear fits in there nice. No fish to put in there, but attached right to your hitch on your ATV. It's got a spring pin hitch. You can't quite see the skis under the snow, but it's a dog sleigh style. Alright, there we are.